You're winding up a bobbin and your thread keeps jumping out of that thread winding guide. You know, that little circular disc thing that's on the top of the machine? Well, I'm going to share with you what you can do to help avoid that. My name is Vitana. I'm a sewing teacher and costume maker. You'll want to bookmark this so you can come back to it later. Okay, so the trouble with the thread keep jumping out of the thread winder guide is that you could end up with a cone shape filled bobbin, and that is no good for sewing with. You'll get trouble with that. Here's what you can do. You thread the end of the thread through the hole in the bobbin, pop it onto the bobbin winder, flip that over to the bobbin guide. Normally you would follow the stitch. If you've got one of these, it just hooks around there. But if it keeps popping out, what you can also do, because sometimes these get loose over time, and if it's a second-hand machine, you don't know what kind of abuse it's had. But anyway, loop this thread around like that, and then try winding it. So I'm going to hold the thread very tightly here and start winding. And you can see it's winding on very nicely. I'm going to just cut this thread, snips like that, very close to that hole, and then carry on winding. Now, if you find it is tending to bunch up down the bottom and make a bit of a triangle shape, what you can do is just with your finger, just lightly nudge it up so that it fills that gap. And then when it's finished, it will just stop. Sometimes they snap back depending on your machine, but that is how you get a nicely wound, even bobbin. Hope that helps. Like and follow for more tips like this.